I seen that bitch. I said, oh shit, let me slow down. Where y'all at? Y'all ain't caught up to us yet?
Nah, we were pulling over before MLK.
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plug up to this one, boy. God damn, I can't get shit out. Damn. Hey, stand by just in case he
So it's still on break?
Nah. But you know. I'll be back. Hey, he's fleeing! He's fleeing! He's fleeing! He's going southbound! Wait. Yes, sir.
Whoa, right from the start, tension is off the charts. Notice how the parties are coordinating. Every pause, every hesitation matters in the eyes of the law. This isn't just chatter, it's critical situational awareness. Legal takeaway? In cases like this, establishing intent and coordination is key. Prosecutors will zero in on these communications to prove premeditation. Audience check. If you were behind the wheel in this chaos, how would you react? Buckle up, because the drama is just starting.
Get off my J-Lo. God damn! Hey, get out the way! God damn it! Go ahead, get it, go! You good.
Woo! Shit, don't bottom out right there like I did. Northbound on Lawton. Eastbound on RDA. Alright, he's going Cascade. Taking it a left turn. No, never mind. Still westbound Cascade. Alright, he's making a left turn. Hey, right turn. One of y'all stay on Cascade. He's gonna go back to Cascade. Right turn on Chatham. Hey, go south. He didn't come north. He made a right turn on Avon. I think he's going back to Cascade.
Clear right turn on Avon Avenue for Chatham. Where y'all at, man?
Unless somebody's not there, so we lost them.
I bet you's back on Cascade.
I'm back on Cascade.
So the best thing he did was get off the interstate. I was about to kick his ass on 20. Not eastbound, westbound. I ain't mean to get in your damn way, kid.
Huh?
I ain't mean to get in your damn way.
Nah, you good, man. It's just we. I'm a little bit more aggressive driver.
I know it. Yeah, I know it. That's something to roll.
Here's where the courtroom tension would spike if we were watching this as evidence. Notice the constant speed updates and evasive maneuvers. Every detail paints a picture of recklessness versus intent. Legal nugget: these communications could demonstrate awareness and conscious choice, which is huge for any reckless driving or endangerment case. Plus, the emotional outbursts? That's the human element. Hypocrisy, frustration, and pride all wrapped up, which a jury can't ignore. Question for you: who's really at fault here? Driver, observer, or both? And here we have the critical closure: identities, locations, and traceable evidence. In court, this is gold, solidifying who was involved and where they can be reached. The judge would note these details carefully in the ruling. Professional wrap-up: the evidence shows deliberate action, coordination, and recklessness, all stacking toward liability. For viewers, it's a stark reminder of how small details can make or break a case. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.